Hi, welcome back to the final video of this restoration. Firstly, I have to apologize because the recording of the final restoration that I did was actually not working because I forgot to turn the camera on, or I turned it on and turned it off. I don't remember what I did, but I had well over an hour of video that was never recorded, so I will be recording another one shortly from beginning to end again and be much more careful. So basically what I did with this one is I did a recap. There were some burnt out resistors I replaced, and I finally got it to work. I just painted the cabinet. I was going to paint it different colors, but I decided to keep it original because the cabinet was in pretty decent shape. So I kind of tried to do a color match, and this is what we have. So let me turn it on. And in my workshop I have a lot of electronic interference, so we may not be able to get a lot of stations, but we'll certainly try. Nothing on that end. Well, you hear the stations trying to pick up, but as I said, there's so much interference. So let me do this. I'm going to set up an AM transmitter that I purchased off of eBay. That's this thing right here. It simply is an AM transmitter. I could hook it up to my phone if I wanted to. In this case, I have a little Alexa app I can just plug in. I can put it right behind it. So we have the antenna going right there. And I say, Alexa, what's today's weather? Have to get the right station tuned. Alexa, play Beethoven.
On Amazon Music.
There we go. Still some interference, and I can tell that speaker's not very good because you hear a little fuzziness to the sound. But for what it was, it's fine. Alright, again, apologies for not doing the main part of the restoration. And once I realized I didn't have that, I also did not want to do the painting. But I will start a new one. The next one will be a 1940 radio, so it's a little older. Pre-World War II radio, and hopefully I'll be able to capture that from beginning to end fully. Thank you for joining, and talk to you soon. Bye.